everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a trending Instagram 3D AI photo that's going viral right now. And we will be using Google Gemini's Nano Banana tool, a brand new feature that lets you edit images instantly just by typing a simple prompt. Okay, let's get started. First, just open up Google Gemini. You can open it on your browser or on your app and then log in with your Google account and then once you're in, just tap on create image, this one, or you can also tap on tools icon and then create images like this. This is Google latest AI image editing feature, and it's super powerful for creating that viral 3D photo effect everyone's posting on Instagram. Next, just upload the photo that you want to transform. Just tap on plus button and then gallery and then just choose your photo. I recommend you to use full body photo and it has a well lit. And now it's time to add the magics. Let's type a prompt. Before I already prepared one like this. Like this, you can just copy this exact prompt or you can still customize it however you like. Just be creative. I will just copy my prompt and then just go back to Gemini and then paste the prompt, and then when you're done just tap on generate. And okay, like this, in just a few seconds you will see your photo completely transform into a stunning 3D viral effects like this. Just look at this, the depth, the lighting, and the whole vibe. It looks so professional and totally Instagram ready. And okay, that's it. You have just created a trending 3D AI photo for Instagram using Google Gemini Nano Banana. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.